Hello students, welcome back. Let us take a look at certain solved example based on the topic that we learned in the previous class, that is surface areas of cuboid and cubes. So I'll read out the question to you and then we will relate to what is on board. So the question reads, Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She wants to place the tree on a wooden box covered with colored paper with a picture of Santa Claus on it. Now, she must know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose. If the box has length, breadth and height 80 centimeters, 40 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively. So, now there is a rectangular piece of block. So, it's going to be a rectangular cuboid whose dimensions are 80 centimeters, 40 centimeters and 20 centimeters. And she needs to wrap it first. So, she is going to wrap it with a piece of paper. So, let's read further. How many square sheets of paper of side 40 centimeters would she require? So, she's going to wrap it with square sheets of paper having dimension 40 centimeters. So, since these are going to be square sheets of paper, all the edges are going to be equal, that is 40 centimeters. So, how do we do this calculation? How do we find the number of square sheets that are required? First of all, we are going to find the total surface area. So, we are going to find the total surface area of our cuboid, right? Through the formula 2 into length plus breadth into height plus length into height. Then we are going to find the area of our paper. So, area of a paper is going to be what? 40 into 40 because it is a square paper. We know that the area for a square is side into side. So, this is going to be 40 into 40 which is 1600 centimeters square. So, one paper can cover 1600 centimeters square. But let's say the total surface area of a cuboid is A centimeters. Then the number of papers required is going to be question mark. So, we are going to use this strategy. So, first what we are going to find the total surface area of the cuboid, then we are going to find the area of paper and then x would be, this is going to be total surface area. So, x would be equal to total surface area upon 1600, which is nothing but total surface area of your cuboid divided by area of paper. Simple. Now, let's go ahead and find the solution. So, I'll say surface area of cuboid is given by 2 LB plus BH plus LH, where L, B and H stand for length, breadth and height respectively. So, this is going to be 2 into length. So, your length is how much? 80, breadth is 40 plus 40 into 20 plus 80 into 20. So, you must be wondering why I have underlined these terms. I have underlined these terms simply because of something very important that we learnt earlier, that was BODMAS. BODMAS stands for brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So, we start with brackets first, whatever is there in the brackets. Then we look for a division, multiplication, addition and subtraction sign and solve our sums in that order. So, this is going to be 2, 8 4s are 32. So, 3200 plus 4 2s are 8. So, 800 plus 8 2s are 1600, right? So, this is going to be 2. Now, 3200 plus 800 is 4000. 4000 plus 1600 is 5600, right? So, this is going to be 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 20, 21. 2 5s are 10 and 11. So, 11200 centimeters square. Therefore, total surface area or surface area of cuboid is 11200 centimeters square. Let's mark this as 1. Now, area of paper, square paper is going to be equal to side square, which is equal to 40 square, right? 40 square is nothing but 1600. So, this is your area of paper. Now we are going to use unitary method to solve and find the number of papers that are needed to cover the rectangular cuboid. So I'll say papers and area covered. So one paper covers how much area? 1600 centimeters square. So how many papers? I'll say X covers 11200 centimeters square. Now I will cross multiply. So now does this make sense what we learnt earlier? So I'm going to erase this section. Therefore, X is going to be equal to 11200 into 1 divided by 1600, right? So 0, 0, 0, 0. Now 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 8 1s are 8, 8 7s are 56. So X is 7 papers. So finally you will say your answer, 7 papers will be needed to cover the rectangular box. So this is the solution. Please take a look at it. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.